Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure the game version supports input macros and that developer or advanced input is enabled. Next, bind a dedicated key or macro for jump so it won't conflict with roll or dash. This isolates the action. Once done, tweak input buffering to around 0.05 to 0.2 seconds to allow automated timing and measure your baseline movement speed. These steps let you repeatedly trigger jump without manual timing, so automation will be consistent and reliable. Now you build the macro that performs the evade to jump sequence. Program, trigger evade or dash, insert a precise delay, start at 0.06 seconds, and then send the jump input. This mimics human timing. Once configured, make the macro toggleable so you can turn auto jump on or off quickly, or set it to hold to enable if you want momentary control. Then test in short runs, adjusting delay between 0.03 and 0.12 seconds until the jump reliably follows the evade. Because game physics and latency change the sweet spot. Finish by practicing the auto jump under real conditions, paying attention to stamina, cooldowns, and terrain since those affect success. If you see inconsistent jumps, increase the delay by 0.01 seconds and test again. Small tweaks solve most timing issues. Make sure no other key binds or input smoothing interfere. Disable them or rebind conflicting controls. Finally, adjust controller dead zones or key repeat settings if needed. If problems persist, revert to manual control, note the failing step, and iterate from that point.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.